This is the exchange of large number of attacks from Israel and Iran against each other. Aerial attacks from America and Israel on Iran, and cluster missiles attacks from Iran in retaliation. Iran has an edge over America and Israel controlling Strait of Hormuz in the Middle East, as this point is critical for the 20% of oil trades and world economy. That's why President Trump threatened Iran to open it in 48 hours. Otherwise, he will attack Iran's critical infrastructure like power plants. Iranian official replied to Trump in his own words, saying that you are fired.
Hey Trump, you are fired. You are familiar with this sentence. Thank you for your attention to this matter. The central headquarters of Khatam al-Anbiya.
Even after heavy blows, Iran is still managing to launch missiles and drones towards Israel. Iran's cluster munitions missiles are everywhere in Israel's sky. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu says Iran is committing war crimes.
The last 48 hours have given it. In the last 48 hours, Iran targeted a civilian area. They're doing that as a mass murder weapon. Luckily, no one was killed, but that's due to luck, not their intention. Their intention is to murder civilians.
These are the aftermaths of strikes from both sides. But we must admit that a large number of civilians are suffering from both sides.